Pasta with chicken and mushrooms. Reconstitute some porcini mushrooms in stock or water, your choice, okay? I heat up some olive oil with a little butter, a combination, and I put in a lot of mushrooms, like a pound of mushrooms, and I let them brown. These are just quartered, just button mushrooms. It's one of the weird pastas that you could actually do short or long with it. I love egg pasta with this. So I like a nice eggy tagliatelle or pappardelle. So once the mushrooms browned and got really fragrant, we added a large shallot. You can use a small onion and a little garlic. Now we're gonna add in some fresh thyme. Give that a stir. I'm adding, look, a puree that I made from 1 cup of chicken stock or vegetable stock or water even, and some porcini, okay? And I'm just gonna add a splash of wine. You could use vinegar, you could even use lemon juice. But you want a little acidity also in the pan, just a turn, not a ton, just a turn of the pan. I took a big cheat from the grocery store, and I just have a rotisserie chicken here. I just removed the skin and the bones and pulled it into pieces. And we're just gonna let that steep and make kind of a delicious stew for our pasta. We added a little heavy cream too when it comes to the end. When you've added your stock and the wine and all that deliciousness, then we take a little bit of the pasta water right before we drain the pasta. And it's very important to drain the pasta 1 minute less than the package direction. Why? It's because of a thing called carryover cooking. This is gonna continue to cook when we toss it back with the sauce, right? And cheese, and the cooking liquid. So we need to pull it just a little bit shy. I can't see you now. Like literally, I can't see you. All the steam on my glasses. But we need to pull it a little bit shy. So if it says 8 minutes, take it at 7. If it says 10 minutes, take it at 9. Okay, it depends on what kind of pasta you buy and what the directions say. Then we're gonna add in cheese. And then we need to emulsify the cheese. So we're gonna add some fat. We're gonna add more really good olive oil or butter. And we're going to add our starchy, salty cooking water. And that's what makes the special sauce, okay? That's what completes the cycle, the circle of the sauce. And then we carefully combine and stir all of this together. Now we're gonna come over here, chop some parsley. And I've just decided in this moment, I am not going to transfer this to another dish. It just looks too gorgeous. And here we go, right here.